Okay, good morning. So this morning, I will demonstrate to you how to set up this public address system, how to connect it safely and correctly. Okay, so please watch, listen and learn, because after my demonstration, you will be the one to demonstrate. Okay, we will have a return demonstration. Okay, and then before we proceed with the connecting of this public address system, this electronic media equipment, let me introduce each of these equipment to you. Okay? So we will start with this television. So this will be our video output. This will be our we will be display our big screen here. Okay? And then this is the remote control of the television. Next is our computer, our laptop. So this will be our source of video and also audio. And then another source, audio, is this microphone. So we will be using also this one. And then the another equipment is this mixer. Okay? This will be the brain of our audio setup, since it is responsible in collecting multiple audio sources and blends them together into a single audio output. Okay? And then this is our amplifier. If the mixer is the brain of the audio, this will be the muscle, because it is responsible to produce output in our speaker. And the next is another audio sources or video sources, audio video sources, is a DVD player. I don't know if there is still using this DVD now, but this is also another sources, DVD player. And then the two boxes there, that is our speaker. Okay? That the one responsible in producing sounds that we hear. So sila po yun. So now, since we already introduced each of these electronic media equipment, we will be proceed in connecting this this electronic media equipment. Okay? So, but before we proceed, we will always take note that safety comes first. Okay? Always think safety, because safety is non-negotiable. Okay? So, for the safety, before we connect all of these wires or cables for this electronic, make sure that it is unplugged and powered off. Of course, it's unplugged, it's powered off. Okay? Make sure it's powered off. And then, make sure that there is no damage in the cable. Check each of the cable if there is no damage, because damaged cable comes with hazards. Okay? And then, after that, the connectors or each of these RCA or cables is designed to fit easily. So don't force, okay? Don't force to connect it if not fit. Okay? So don't force. So that's the safety. So if you have questions, so since none, we will proceed to the demonstration on how to connect each of these equipment. Okay? So to connect this equipment, we will start from the input to the output devices. Okay? So we will start with connecting from laptop to our television. We will be using this HDMI cable. Okay? The first end of the HDMI cable will be inserted into the HDMI port in our laptop. Okay, please come here. Okay, this one. Come here. And then the other side will be inserted into the television HDMI port. Okay, that one. So now, after we connect the television and the computer, we will be connecting from the computer or laptop to the mixer. We will be using this RCA cable. Actually, this is a dual RCA cable, because the other side is the 3.5 audio jack, and then the other side is the RCA jack. Okay? So the first end, this 3.5 audio jack will be inserted to the laptop audio port or the computer audio port here. Okay? And then the other side, the other end, will be connecting to the input ports of our mixer. So take note that the red color goes to the red ports, okay? And the white color goes to the white ports, okay? And then since we connect already the laptop to mixer, now we will proceed to mixer to the amplifier. So we will be using this another RCA cable, okay? The first end, we will be connecting to the output ports of this mixer, okay? And then the other side will be inserted to the input ports of the amplifier. Okay, you just find which is available here. Since the PC is already damaged, so we will use this tape. Okay. So the red one goes to the red color and the white one goes to the white color. So now we will connect the other audio video sources. So from DVD player to the amplifier. Okay, we will be using this another RCA cable. So insert in the output ports of the DVD player, and then the other side goes to the input ports of the amplifier. Okay, this one. Okay, so since we already connect this equipment, now we will proceed the connection from the amplifier to the speaker. So we will be using this speaker wire. So in this case, or in this part, you must take note that it will not interchange. Alright? The positive goes to the positive ports, and the negative goes to the negative port. So the red one is the positive, and the black one is the negative. Okay? So we will start with the right speaker. So start with the black one. Insert into. Okay, this is that. I will use the other side because. Okay, this one because it's more. Is that? It's not long actually. It's shorter. Okay, we will start by connecting this black color here. The port, insert, and then tighten. You just tighten it. Okay, and then the red one goes to the red color. So okay, and then tighten that button. Okay, now we will connect to the speaker. Here. So the red color goes to the red ports. So there is a hole here. Just insert to the hole. Here, kind of hard. Okay, insert. Okay, it's inserted. Then tighten. Okay, and then the black one goes to the black ports. Okay, just find the hole. Oops. Okay, we will start here at the bottom because it's more easier. Okay, and then tighten. So that's it. For the another speaker, the left side, you just repeat the process. Okay? You just repeat the process. Connect the red one to the red ports on the speaker output. And then the black one or the negative goes to the negative color, black color, and then tighten. Okay, so that's it. And then the other side, same thing. The red one goes to the red color. Okay, and then tighten. And the black one goes to black color. Oops. Okay. Okay. Not easy to insert, but can manage. Okay, then tighten the screw. Hey, we'll reconnect our speaker. Now, let's proceed to connecting our microphone. Okay, so we will connect it to any of these microphone ports, input ports. So we will connect this number 10. Make sure that it's power on. Okay, so since we already connected each of these cables for our public address system, now we will proceed with the power on of this equipment. But make sure, before you power on, make sure that all volume is turned down. Okay, all volume from mixer is turned down, and same thing with the amplifier. Make sure that the volume is set to 0. Okay, to avoid sudden pop-up of the sounds. So since we already turned down to 0 the volume, let's proceed to the power on. So we will insert to the power source. Okay, insert to the power source. Insert to the power source. Then let's try to power on this television. Okay, we wait. So it's now to display our screen. We will open some videos or music. Okay. And let's play some music. Just escape. Okay, and then we will power on this mixer. And then we will power on this amplifier. Then set the amplifier volume slowly, and then volume up the mixer. Okay, volume up, and then set volume. You see, slowly volume up the volume of the mixer. The same thing with the amplifier, until that you are satisfied with the audio output. Okay, just slowly volume up. Okay, that's it. Now we will try our microphone. So we will volume down the audio from the laptop, and we will try this microphone. Okay, this is number 10. So we will turn up the number 10, and then we will try to speak. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, it's not working. We'll try to slowly this one, then turn this up. Okay, hello, 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 hey. Okay, okay, now so our microphone is working. Okay, so this is what mic test 1 2 3. Okay, so now we will put this down and then turn up our So as you can see, it's working properly. So now, let's proceed to how to power off all of this or keep this all the wires. Okay. So before we disconnect, make sure that all the volume is down, and then set to 0 all the volume, and then in turning down this electronic media equipment, we will start from the output to the input. So we will start power off the amplifier, and then next is the mixer, and then the television, and disconnect from the power source. Okay, disconnect. Then after disconnecting, you just disconnect all the keyboards. Okay, you can disconnect this one. Okay, here. Next is this one, microphone. Then put it here. And this one. Then okay, put it here. Same with this. Put it here. Also. Here, same with the speaker wire. Okay. Okay, so everything is disconnected. So that's how we set up or connect and disconnect this public access system. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
No questions?
No, sir.
You get it?
Yes, sir.
So it's your time to demonstration. You will be the one to demonstrate. I will give you this task sheets. Please read it, and then I will be having also the performance criteria. So read, and if you have any question, please raise questions now.
No, sir.
So you got it already?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please proceed to the demonstration. While you're demonstrating, I will observe you. Okay? Okay, here, please proceed. You will be the one. You just put it there as your guide. Okay?
No. Check like this. No, no. No, like this, like this. No, 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 no. Mic check. Low, low. Low, low. Mic check. Low, low. Mic check. Low, low, low. Check. Low, low. Mic check. Okay, okay. Low.
You done? Okay, so please turn down the volume. So now we will check your output. Okay, so we will test first this microphone. Can you volume up? Well, turn down the volume of the mandala. Okay, hello, hello. Hello, mic test. Okay, the microphone is working. Good. Now we will test the volume. This volume up. Oh. Okay, so it's okay. Now volume down, volume down, volume down, volume down. Okay, so based on your performance and then in our criteria checklist, you have performed that, you have connected it correctly and safely. Okay, as we can see, as we can hear, that the video is output in the television and also the sound is working. Microphone and then audio from the laptop. So very good. Nice job. My observation, that is for areas for improvement. I observed that during the demonstration, you forgot to turn down this mixer volume. Okay? So please take note, always, before you power on, always down all the volume from the mixer and the amplifier. But that is only a minimal. Next time, you will observe that, you will take note of that. Okay? So as of your overall demonstration, everything is fine. Okay? So for this task, you have successfully demonstrated, and I will rate you competent for this task. Congratulations. So now we will proceed with disconnecting all of the wires. Okay? Let's proceed with disconnecting all the wires. Done?
Yes,
Okay. So congratulations once again. We will now proceed to the next task.
Thank you, sir.